everyone and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name's Lauren and I love to travel and make videos about it because life is short and the world is big, so you have to travel. Right now I'm in Montezuma, which is in Costa Rica. Room's a bit messy, but this is my room. We've been here one night so far. Yesterday we just had a chill day. Woke up at 5:30 to drive here, get the ferry, drive all the way here. And then we went to a waterfall, which was nice. And it was someone's birthday, so we had a really fun night. We did a piñata, so I'll insert that footage right here. And today I'm going surfing. We're going to Santa Teresa, so come along. I didn't actually film yesterday, by the way. I'm a shit vlogger. But to be fair, we didn't do much and I was surfing and like it was just a chill beach day basically. But the surf lesson was good. It's just I couldn't get any footage because I had no one to help me film and I really wanted to get the most out of the lesson. I will be surfing the next couple of days, so hopefully I can get some footage there. Today we're going to Tortuga Island, which apparently means Turtle Island. So hopefully there'll be some turtles. I think it's gonna be a nice last day of our tour. So if you guys are interested, the tour company I'm with is Tru Travels. I've done 3 of their tours now and they're brilliant. They do the best Black Friday sales as well. So make sure you go and check them out on Black Friday because you get the best deals. So let's go. I'm on it. Come on, dolphins. Hey, there's a pod. Trim up. Captain Lauren. PSA. Power down.
Oh my god! If anyone falls overboard, it's not my fault. Let's go!
beach with a view. There's a mariachi band on this boat. I don't know if you guys can see them. Is this like how they do busking out here?
I think someone's ordered it, like birthday or proposal.
Yeah, it's got to be a proposal. So we just sailed to another island. Look how beautiful this place is. Playa Los Vivos is what it's called. Beach of Life, and it's so pretty. Hey, paradise. It is, it's so nice. This is so nice. Look how clear this water is. Oh. Good morning everyone, it's now the next day. It is the 18th of February and it's my last day in Montezuma. I'm now about to go and get a boat to Jaco. It's spelled with a J, I think I'm saying it right, I'm really not sure. So me and Cynthia, one of the girls from my tour, decided we would go and get a boat to Jaco, and I'm going to stay there for 2 nights in a hostel called Room to Board. And this is going to be like the real challenge for me because the last hostel I stayed in, Posh Paca in La Fortuna, that was my first hostel, but I had a private room. I've booked a room which has 6 people and it's a mixed room, which is like a big thing for me. Like staying in a room with 6 people that I don't know. Like I know I did it at the sanctuary, but it was all girls. This could be anyone. But I thought, you know what? Last challenge of this holiday, let's stay in a hostel. Let's, you know, put myself out of my comfort zone completely. So I'm excited to see how it goes. I think we're gonna go surfing today as well, so I'm hoping I can get some footage from that. I didn't really film a whole bunch yesterday, so I thought maybe I could continue this vlog. And yeah, we're gonna see what happens. Let's go. This is terrifying! Oh my god! Look at this! Oh god! Oh, this is going on the vlog! I do not recommend this! It's not very glamorous! It's so good! Love it! Crocodile? Privado. What a shame I don't speak Spanish, guys. Let's go. Okay. Abandoned mansion. Wow. Look at this place. This place is awesome. Oh look, front door. Yeah, I love this place. Look at that view. I love exploring abandoned places. Like, look how cool this place is. Look at that. Whew. Okay, let's see what's down here. This is cool. Amazing. I feel like this was a bit of bathroom. They've got like a pipe. Look at the view. There's Jaco. Wow. This place is awesome. Okay, I can see. Oh, great. We have some devil markings in here. 666. There's some devil stuff. Where? Where does it say that? Oh. WAP dungeon. We love that. Look at that for a sunset. Wow. Sunset from an abandoned mansion. Good morning everyone, it is now the next day. I'm now in a hostel. I thought I'd show you a little bit. So this is what it looks like. The down there is like the pool, the breakfast area, the bar, and then bathrooms here. I'm sharing with like, there's 8 of us. It's like mixed dorm, it's really chill. We went surfing yesterday. I didn't get any footage, but I'm gonna get some today. But today we're going on a crocodile tour. So we're about to go get breakfast and then we're gonna go. I'll just show you the dorm. This is the room. We're here. We're going on a crocodile tour. We're very late, yes. Our Uber kept cancelling on us. We went to get coffee and I caught up with someone from the sanctuary who's in Jaco as well. And then we couldn't get an Uber. It kept cancelling, getting later. We were like, ah! But they waited for us, so thank God. The boat's coming back for us. Oh my God. I feel so bad. But to be fair, the Uber did cancel on us. We would have been earlier. There's a crocodile right there. We're about to see the big daddy of crocodiles. He's sat right there.
We got 2.
Oh, there's one there. Male, female, I guess.
Captain Hook and Lady Gaga.
Captain Hook and Lady Gaga. Wow. Here we have Cynthia, who is the food for the crocodiles. Some horses. Gonna get eaten by the crocodiles. There's a really big one here. They call it Osama bin Laden. It's massive, jeez. He's right here. 7-meter crocodile, guys. Look at him. Look.
900 pounds in front of you. This is one of the oldest guys in the river.
Oh, yes, so close to him.
You can see the tail.
He's 7 meters long. Don't know if you guys can see his tail. Wow. Who thinks I should do this to Cynthia? Fish her in. Crocodile food.
Mike Tyson.
We got Mike Tyson sitting right there. He's smiling for us. Look at that. Oh my God. Wow. Opening that mouth. Smile. He's making it easier for Cynthia to just climb right in. My guys are encouraging him. Oh my goodness. Wow. That's insane. Here he comes. Wow.